Meet Daisy, she's got a way of making beautiful things. You never know what nature will teach her, what inspiration will bring. DIY, DIY, Daisy, what are we making today? DIY, DIY, Daisy, I bet we'll make something great.
Hi, Gumboot Kids.
Hi, Daisy.
I love having bugs come visit my garden. Today, I saw a beetle, an ant, and a spider. They inspired me to make a nature craft. Would you like to make a bug hotel, Gumboot Kids?
Yay!
Step 1. Collect some bug-friendly nesting materials. Try sticks, bark, pine cones, and leaves.
I found some tree bark and some sticks. Pine cones. Check these out, Daisy.
Terrific! Step 2. Get some craft supplies, like a wooden box or a shoebox. Ideally, your box should have small compartments. Or you can make your own.
Like this?
Yes! Step 3. Build your bug hotel by placing your nesting materials into the box. Layers are best.
I found some burlap. That'll work.
Terrific!
I'm gonna cut up some sticks.
Here's some cardboard. I'll help you.
Bugs love nooks and crannies, so pack it in. And remember, there is no right or wrong way to make a nature craft. So have fun. A bug hotel is a place where bugs can live and hibernate in the winter. Giving bugs a place to live in your yard encourages them to pollinate the plants and help your garden grow.
Bugs are just gonna love it.
Nice construction work, Gumboot Kids. Now, let's see what you've made. Well done! The best time to set up your bug hotel is in the autumn. Put it near the garden and the bugs will move in for the winter. And it looks like you've already got your first guests.
Ooh!
Wow.
Cool!
Daisy's Bug Hotel is officially open for business. I can't wait for my guests to arrive. See you next time, Gumboot Kids.
Goodbye, Daisy.
DIY, DIY, Daisy, what are we making today?